Everyone. Now we are planning to start the new management series. So we are going through some analysis, okay, how to allocate the work file to the team, okay. So we are going to talk about the Pareto analysis, which is 80-20 rule, which will be very powerful tool, okay, how to allocate your work file and then how your AR work file can be allocated and how we can work it very efficiently. See, the 80-20 rule, what it says is your 80% of the problem lies with 20% of the items. So if you know this Pareto analysis very well, you can handle whatever may be your problem, right? So I'm taking you through the dummy data. Okay, there's a dummy data for a project, and there is no specific data here, and our this data is not supposed to show any of the project. Okay, it's a dummy data. So I'm going to show you how we can prepare the Pareto analysis by this. So you know very well how your transaction report or your outstanding AR report will look like, right? So in that I did few changes. I just want to show you what I did. See, in the insurance category, okay, what I did is I just created a category on it. Okay, insurance name. I just created a insurance category for our better understanding. Okay, now I'm going to do a pivot table. Okay, so in that pivot table I just want to know what is my balance in this out in that outstanding AR report. Okay, I'm going by balance. Okay, this is my balance. So I have 874k it's pending in this particular project. This is a project given to me how I can allocate in a better way. Okay, so I'm going for a insurance category to see that where my AR is lying. So here what we are planning to do here is we just want to sort it out by largest to smallest. And if you see here your 874, I'm sorry, one second. So if you see your 874 lies with your major insurance here. So how to break it down? Okay, we just copy this and then bring it here. Insurance category. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add the percentage. Then convert that into a percentage model. This is 25. So now I'm going to make it as a static column. And then you bring it here with us. Okay, so by the percentage model, if you see here, okay, where your insurance or where your AR is lying, if you go by this, okay, see the sum here. Okay, I hope everyone can see my screen. I'll just little bit make it bigger. If you so go here and then see your total, okay, the sum around 80. Okay, so we are talking about your 80% of your AR is lying with your how many items are here? Only 7. Okay, if you touch the 7 insurances, which will cover your 80% of your AR. That's what we are talking about. Okay, so now, so as I told you, I created an insurance category. Okay, now we want to go back and then we just add the primary insurance in between here. Okay, this also what I'm going to do, I'm going to sort it out by the largest to smallest. So this is what my total category. So here what we are planning to do is instead of touching the complete UHC, we can go ahead and then see the same 80% rule here and we can concentrate on this particular part. Okay, so I'm going to do that. If you see here, there's only one insurance having a major junk. Same way, you take it for all your insurances. I'm just leaving the commercial for time being. I just want to see what is my overall outstanding if I touch these six items. Okay, this is what I'm planning. Okay, overall six items. I'm able to close my 536K. So what is my value here? 536K out of my overall total 874. So this about my 61 percentage of my AR can be closed if I touch and concentrate on this particular six plan. Okay, six primary insurances outstanding balances. See, this what the Pareto analysis says. Okay, you need not work on all your claim. You just work only on this particular six items. See, what we can do, we can go back and then put a VLOOKUP and then bring this category into a priority. So if I start working this as my priority one, okay, which is going to help me to close all my 654, which is my 60 percentage of AR can be closed out of that. Okay, that's what I'm planning to give. So now, so this is a plan. Okay, so based on the Pareto analysis, if I work on this particular six items, I may able to close my 61 percentage of MAR. So what you need to do, you have to allocate this 61 percentage to your team at the first shot, and then once they address this, you just go back, put the again the Pareto chart the same way you calculate, and then try to give the second batch of allocation to your team. So this is a way you can work very effectively and efficiently. You can close your outstanding AR. It's not only for an outstanding AR, whatever may be your challenges. Okay, you can go ahead with your top CPT code. You can go ahead with your patient items, and even you can go ahead with your actionable items. Okay, what is outstanding, and you can do the same thing, and then you can address it. See, when you're going to give this as a project to your manager, okay, so they will not accept this, right? So what you need to do, you have to give a project charter wise. So for that, you have to create a cumulative percentage. Cumulative percentage is nothing but I'm going to add, okay, 25 plus 18, and then 25 plus 18 plus 9. Like that, I'm going to add it. So first one, it's 25. And the second one, 25 plus 18. So after that, I'll just drag it down. If you see here, something wrong. Second, let me correct it. This plus 18, 3 plus 9. This is the way it should come. Okay, right. So as we discussed, we have to close till this particular 80. So this 7 items we are going to concentrate as a first priority. Okay. So I plan to leave the commercial since the 6 itself is giving a better revenue, and commercial, you know very well, working commercial is the toughest thing, and that also is going not going to be give you the better production and outcome. So that's the reason we are planning to give. So we are going to create a chart here, select these two, and then go with your, 1 second, we should not take the total for a chart. I'm taking this, and then I'm going to select the cumulative percentage. And now go to insert and then select this chart and then go with the 3D column. So what you need to do is in this change the chart type. Okay, go to combo. In that combo, the percentage alone you select into a line and then give okay. This is your Pareto chart. Okay, what Pareto chart is talking about? What is the item we are going to work on? See, just add the data label, and then this will give you the percentage here. Okay, where we need to concentrate. So how we are going to work on this particular part. Okay, so as per the plan, we are going to concentrate till this 75. So if you work on the 7 items, you will address 75, and as per our plan, till 80 you have to work on 80 percentage. So this is the way you can address all your problems. Okay, as per the Pareto analysis says, okay, your Pareto analysis says 80-20 rule, your 20 percentage of the 80 percentage of the problem will lie under your 20 percentage of your items. Okay, so this is the main very powerful tool. By utilizing this, you can address whatever may be your problem is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please like it and then share it to your friends, and then subscribe our channel, and you will get the management series training every week. Okay, the next training what we are planning is, we are planning to do SPC, statistical process control chart. Okay, how to do that, how we can monitor our process. Okay, thank you. We'll meet you again with a new training topic. Have a nice day. Bye.